precious moments. Will I have to wait?
From the California Highway Patrol. A child abduction occurred on May 23rd at 6:36 a.m. in Los Angeles, California. The child's name is Edwin Vargas, a 2-year-old Hispanic male. The suspect is Abraham Vargas, a 27-year-old Hispanic male. They are possibly driving a 2004 orange Nissan Quest with California license plate number 7CIN189. Again, this is an orange Nissan Quest with California license plate 7CIN189. Also is carrying tinted windows. To report possible sightings, call 911. National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fresno County in central California, northeastern Kings County in central California, northwestern Marietta County in central California until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:16 p.m., the public reported a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 7 miles south of Kingsburg, or 8 miles northeast of Hanford, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Dynuble by 3:55 p.m.
The station and the music you grew up with.
Go with number one.
National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Marietta County in central California until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., the public reported a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 12 miles west of Wood Lake, or 10 miles north of Visalia, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near 6 miles north of Wood Lake by 4:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fresno County in Central California, northeastern Kings County in Central California, extreme northwestern Tamarac County in Central California, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 8 miles southwest of Kingsburg, or 8 miles north of Hanford, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Kingsburg by 3:05 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly clouds and ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.